get into this issue?
I am one of the council.
Okay.
Yeah, we are.
How many are you?
Yeah, we are almost 15.
Okay.
And not only 15, even as I'm talking to you now, we always receive different calls, different text messages from different set of people that yes, they want to join us. And we always tell them that our door is wide open, but whoever want to come and help Amal is very much ready to come and help her, because what has happened to her is very, very detrimental and degrading to human person at all.
What really triggered you guys to just get into this? Does she contact you, or you've seen something that really needed an attention and that's why you just watch into it?
Yes, you see, they are celebrities, if I may say, and even the Gabon is also a celebrity. And I believe people and public are always following what they do. So immediately after what happened, then there is one organization who reside in America, is NGO, and we are briefed through one of our council, one of us. I have told you that we are 15, and one of us, then he was briefed, and he now said, if we are ready, they are going to give us that case so that we can pursue her, because she is nobody and she is helpless. She's an innocent girl. She doesn't have anybody here. So it seems that Adiza Gabon is very powerful than she is. That's why she molested her that way. So we think it's very, Nigeria is not that spoiled. It's not that destroyed that somebody will beat the hell out of somebody and will go ahead and post it on social media, on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, almost all social media. Whenever you enter, then it is the story that you're going to see. And she is being held by some of her accomplices and some of her boys who she helps in the industry. Yes, that's why we volunteered that yes, this scenario is worthy of being put our hand in. That's why we just enter, and you can see that I'm alone. We are almost 15, and I call them because we are not just ready, because there are many council who are ready to come and help her. So I am only here to represent the council that are.
You made mention of an organization that is that briefed you guys on this issue.
Yes.
Are you getting support from that organization, or they only served as a catalyst to?
No, we have never received anything from them. If I say anything, I mean anything. It is only this case that triggered them to come and employ our services, and I tell you this service is free of charge. We don't, for now, receive a penny. We just volunteered to help her. And as I have been telling people, we are not doing this because she's Amina Amal. We are not doing this because she's a celebrity or something. Even if the person who has nobody, even if he or she is not a celebrity, we will come and assist her if the need arises. So we are doing this because of God and because of the organization that briefed us. And this is, if we may say, is free of charge. We don't receive a penny for helping her. And though you did not ask me, we filed a case in Federal High Court. Yes, okay.
We recently, I think it was the day before yesterday or yesterday, you filed a case. Can you tell us, can you brief us what that case is all about?
Yes, actually, we intended to file 2 or 3 cases, and we succeeded in filing one in Federal High Court, Kano. And this is civil. The one that we filed is civil, and we filed the case to enforce the fundamental right of Amina Amal as enshrined in our constitution, that somebody has a right to movement, to family, to association, and what have you. And actually, we deem it fit to start filing the case in Federal High Court to remedy our client's distress. Maybe I think it is almost 4 or 5 prayers that we ask the court to do, and one is the Hadiza Gabon will publish the apology in 2 national reputable dailies, that apologizing for Amina Amal about what she did to her, and an undertaking that she will not or ask anybody to molest or beat her again, and a token amount of 50 million naira. And I believe if she is given this token amount, it will help her to heal and possibly to recover. Yes.
Thank you very much.
These are among other things. And should I add?
Yeah.
Yes. And apart from that, we intend to initiate criminal proceedings against her, and it is now in the process. Yes.
You made mention of 3. What is the other one? You
Yes,
said 3K.
the other one is
civil.
secret. The other one is among ourselves. It is yet to be exposed. Yes.
Okay, Marisa, thank you.
Yes,
very
thank
much.
you very much. Zaka kwa